1:06 a.m. on July 12, 2020, effective until 1:36 a.m. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Crawford County in south-central Indiana, northeastern Perry County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Kent County in central Kentucky, until 230 MEDT/130 MCDT/ at 206 MEDT/106 MCDT/. The severe thunderstorm was located near Carefree Dam, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brandenburg, Carefree Dam, Leavenworth, Montport, Fulton, Laconia, New Amsterdam, Roberta, Beechwood, and Central. Hail, 0.75 in wind, 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.